Hi, welcome to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see Maths Class 4, the same chapter, place value, continuation. Okay, now we are going to see the number before for is also called predecessor. First, we must know what is predecessor. The number before for is also called predecessor. Predecessor means we must know about whatever the number is given. So the number before, okay, this is what I've written. The number before for is also called predecessor. For example, I'll tell you 10. Okay, 10 is a number. So before 10, what number comes before? What is the number comes before 10? So what is the number comes before that is 9. So 9 is a predecessor. 9 is a predecessor. It's a very small example I'm telling you. Again I'll tell you. The number before for is also called predecessor. That means whatever the number given in the question paper or whatever the number is given in the book. So first we must look at the number and after that we must write the number. What is the number comes before? Okay, we must think which number comes before. Okay, which number comes before the number is given already. So 10 is given already. So you must write before the number. Just write before 10. What comes? 9. So suppose most probably you can easily this type of problem you can easily solve. While you go for a bigger number like for example 562, this is the number I have given in the question, in the book otherwise. Okay, so you have to find out which number comes before. That means you have to write that 562 subtract minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 and 6 and 5. So what number comes before means 561. So before number is called as predecessor, after number is called as successor. That is what I've written in the definition. The number before for is also called predecessor. The number after is also called successor. So that means before the number. So the number before is called as the number before. The number before is called as predecessor. The number after it is called as successor. That is the only that is the only main point, a key point, otherwise we can call it as. That is a key point, and that is the main point you have to remember. Otherwise you have to memorize this. So what is a predecessor? First you must know what is a predecessor and next what is a successor. Predecessor is nothing but number before, okay, and number after it is called as a successor. I'll repeat once again what is a predecessor and what is a successor. Predecessor is nothing but the number before it is called as a predecessor. The number after it is called as a successor. That is what I've given the example already. So 10 is the first number. The number I've given 10 is, for example, 10 I've taken. This is the number in the book or this is the number in the question paper. So you have to write the number before, that is 9, because you know that easily solve single digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everyone knows very well. While you go for a bigger number, it's little difficult for some children or some students. That is what I've given the number 562 I've given already. So you have to write the predecessor for this particular number. So predecessor means number before. What number comes before or which number comes before. What comes before or which number comes before this particular number. So 562, that means if you want to find out the number, I'm giving the number in the middle. Okay, so what you're going to do, if you want to write the 562 is a question. So I have to write. Otherwise, you have to write a predecessor for this particular number means what? 562 minus 1, you can get what? 561. So it is a predecessor. Successor means you just add the number. For example, this is example 1. This is example 2. So for this are called as predecessor. Predecessor. So predecessor. Predecessor means what is this? Before number. Otherwise number before. Okay. And what is a successor? Successor I've told you. Successor. S-U-C-C-E-S-S-O-R. Successor mean, what is this? Successor mean after. After number. That is successor mean after number. So the number I'll tell you. For example, 900 99. So what comes after? What comes after this number? That means 999 plus 1. Add plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 0. Then carry over. 9 plus 1, 10, 0. Carry over. And 9 plus 1, 10 again. That is called as 1000. So you know that the number is 1000. So successor means add. Successor means add plus 1. Then predecessor means subtract minus 1. Okay. So you know that very clearly. Again, I'll repeat once again. What is a predecessor? Predecessor is number before, and successor means after number. Successor means what? After number. So predecessor means you have to subtract minus 1. Predecessor means you have to subtract minus 1. Successor means you have to add plus 1. I'll repeat once again. Predecessor means before number. Successor means after number. Predecessor means you have to subtract 1. Subtract, that means 1. Subtract minus 1. Then here successor means you have to add 1. So that means minus 1 plus 1. So predecessor before number, successor after number. Predecessor means you have to subtract 1. That means minus 1. Successor means that is after number you have to add 1. That means plus 1. Now, so we are going to solve the problem. So this number is a very large number. Write the number before for the following. That means the number is given 79,999. 79,999. You have to write the before number. Before means what you are going to do? 79,999. So you have to find out the predecessor. Predecessor means before number. I told you very clearly. So you have to subtract with 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 9, 9, 9 and 7. 79,990. 79,998. This is the answer for the question. That means before number means you have to subtract 1. That means minus 1 with the particular number. Next, here 4 lakhs. What is the number as given? 4 lakhs. It's a very huge number. So how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So okay. Now 4 lakhs. What are you going to do? After that is, it is also, what is this? Before number. Four lakhs. So here this is also before. You have to find out what predecessor. That means before number for 4 lakhs. So you have to write the what before number for 4 lakhs. So you have to subtract with 1. So here there is no number. You have to subtract directly from. You have to borrow from 4 because all the digits are 0. So this is ones, tens and 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So all the except 4, all the digits are 0. So what are you going to do? You have to subtract from, subtract means you have to borrow from 4. So here 10 minus 1, 9. So here also 9, here also 9, here also 9 and here also 9. So this becomes 3. So you have to write 9, 9, 9, 9, 3. That means you have to write, what is the number? 3 lakhs. 99,999. I'll repeat. 4 lakh is the question. You have to find out the predecessor or before number. So before number means you have to subtract what? With 1. That means minus 1 with a particular number. So 4 lakhs subtract with 1. You can get this answer is 3,999,999. So this is 3,99,999. 3,99,999. This is the answer. Next, write the number after for the following. So the question is 2,35,999. So I already told you predecessor mean before number, successor mean after number. That means predecessor mean the what is the number in the question paper or what is the number in the book itself. You have to solve the problem. Predecessor means before number, so you have to subtract with 1. Subtract with 1. and successor means after number, that means you have to add with 1, that means plus 1, predecessor minus 1 and successor plus 1. Now we are going to solve the after number, that means successor. This question is 2,35,999 is a very huge number. So you write 2,35,999. You have to add with plus 1. So with the particular number, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, again 9 plus 1, 10, 0, again 9 plus 1, 10, 0, then 1 again, 6, then 3 and what? 2. That is 2,36,000. So 2,35,999 add with what? Plus 1. Add with plus 1, you can get this answer 2,36,000. 2,36,000. Okay, the next question again, 3,80,500. It's also a very huge number. So first, how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. So 3,80,500. Okay, so you have to write what? After number. You have to find out the after number for this. Okay, for this particular number, you have to find the after number. That means successor. So you have to add with plus 1. That means you have to add with plus 1. So 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 5, 0, 8, then 3. That means 3,80,501. So this is the answer for this questions. So I'll tell you, repeat again and keep on repeating, because you have to memorize the concept is very, very important, because without this concept you should not thorough in the numbers. Okay, thorough in the numbers. That is what I'm keep on repeating. So the number before for is also called predecessor. The number after is also called successor. Before means you have to subtract with 1, that means minus 1. Successor means you have to add with 1, that means plus 1. Okay, and after that, now we are going to see the exercise. Write the number before the following, that is 1,79,998. The answer is, oh, question is not written, huh? Sorry. Okay, then 1,79,999. So you have to subtract with 1. You can get the answer is 1,79,998. That is what I've written, 1,79,998. Okay, next is 4 lakhs. I've written very clearly. So you have to subtract with 1. Before number means you have to subtract with 1 with a particular question. So you can get this answer 3,99,999. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. So 3,99,999. This is the answer. Write the number after the following. After for the following. Write the number after for the following. That means the given question is 2,35,999. So you have to add with after means you always add with plus 1. So I've written 2,36,000. So 2,36,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. So this is also how many digits? 6 digit. Then 3,80,500. You have to find out the after number. After means you have to add with plus 1. The same I've done it. So 3,80,500 with the what? Plus 1. You can get this answer. That is 3,80,501. This is the answer for the question. I think so you're very clear in the predecessor and successor. That means before number and after number.